Hi, welcome to Life Fact channel. Did you know if you have an old phone, you can turn that into a security camera. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a use of your old Android phone. First, you need to go to Google Play in both phone. Then type search. Then type Alfred camera. Now you can see that come in the first place, Alfred security camera app. You need to download in the Google Play Store in the both Android phone. One you can use your main phone, other one is the old phone. You can see that both start downloading now. You need to have a Google account set up in both same Google account in both phone to work. Installation finished, just signing up with a Google account. You need to give some permission and allow notification for this to first time you need to install this software, Alfred camera. You need to make sure your main phone should be set up as the viewer, other one is the camera. So the old phone is the camera, make it set up. You need to make sure give some permission for both Android apps, Alfred camera when you install it. Then you can make the old phone as the camera and the current phone as the viewer. Then you can live broadcast the camera in the old phone. See, you can see the camera now is working. I can see it both showing the footage of the teddy bear in the old phone. I'm using the old phone to view the footage of the teddy bear in my phone. So this is how I show you. This is a very good opportunity to make your old phone make a useful security camera without no cost. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please thumb up and subscribe. See you in the next video.